are the side effects of phlegm in the stomach? Let us see. The side effects of phlegm in the stomach are somewhat dependent on the cause of excessive production of phlegm. Illness such as common cold and respiratory or sinus infection all cause an excessive production of phlegm, which often drain down to the throat to the stomach. This can cause constipation, vomiting, and bad breath. One side effect is constipation. If too much phlegm accumulates in the stomach, it can stagnate. In other words, it just sits in the stomach without moving. This can cause a blockage of normal digestive tract, which means difficulty having a bowel movement. Next is nausea and vomiting are often side effect of phlegm in the stomach. This reaction can be caused by a number of factors, but a lot of phlegm can create a heavy, nauseous feeling which can lead to vomiting. The nausea may be made worse by an existing cold, which causes the accumulation of phlegm to begin with. Sinus infection can create a near constant flow of mucus down to the throat into the stomach, which can also trigger this reaction. Loss of appetite is another common side effect of phlegm in the stomach for similar reasons that cause vomiting. The fullness sensation that mucus in the stomach can create will often lead a lot of appetite. Nausea from the excess phlegm can also cause a person not to want to eat. Loss of appetite is a common cold symptom. So, if a cold is responsible for a stomach phlegm, that already existing symptom may just be exacerbated. Phlegm in the stomach also cause bad breath. Phlegm is made up of certain protein which is broken down by anaerobic bacteria that lives in the stomach. When the protein is broken down, sulfur is released, often cause the breath to smell bad. The bacteria is also present in the throat and so can cause bad breath even if phlegm has not yet reached the stomach. In order to treat the phlegm in the stomach, the sufferer has to understand what is causing the problem to begin with. Phlegm is originally produced in the nasal cavities, and when too much it is present, it drains down the throat into the stomach. Treating cold, respiratory or sinus infection that is causing the phlegm the first step to dealing with the problem. So if you are having bad breath, so you understand why it is, because the protein is being broken due to sulfur and sulfur is being producing the bad smell. It was the full conception of phlegm and how it causes the side effect. That's all for today. Have a healthy day ahead.